I bring the fire on the listings, and today is no different. We got a 2-property portfolio by the same seller. One is 31 units in Tavares, Florida, and the other one is 12 units in Eustis. Now the first property we're gonna take a look at, it's called, oh God, what is the name of this thing called? Oh my God, I can't believe don't put this on film. What's the name? It starts with a G. Ginger Ridge Apartments. So Ginger Ridge Apartments is 31 units. That's composed of 1 studio, 14 of the 1-1s, and 16 of the 2-bedroom 1-baths. It's sprawling on 1.8 acres. It's built a concrete block, which is solid as a rock. Here's the opportunity though. The in-place rents are averaging only about $650 a month. Market rents are showing me with ease they should be over $800 a month without doing much. Hey y'all, now 10 of the 31 units already have washer and dryer connections inside them. The rest of the units, nice little laundry room for them to use. Listen, this is the 2nd-story building. It's all 1-bedroom units. They're all flats. So flat 1-bedrooms up here, flat 1-bedrooms down there. And then the other 3 buildings surrounding this center building are composed of the other 1-bedrooms and 2-bedrooms. Let's take a look at one of the units. Come on in. These kitchens are in nice shape. All the countertops, cabinetry, and appliances are just like this. Tile floors throughout. And look at all the room! And this is where you sleep. All right guys, that's Ginger Ridge Apartments. Now we're gonna go take a look at McDonald at Fountain Place. Now because I still got my ups from back in the basketball days, we're gonna get there quicker. Let's just hop on over there. Yep, I still got it. Welcome to McDonald at Fountain Place. All right, now let's go take a look at the inside of a unit. We can go up the elevator or the stairs. Now there is a private air-conditioned vestibule on each floor for every 2 units. Door open. Unit. Hey again! Check out the openness of this kitchen living room combo. Gorgeous cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel. This island is the coolest. It rolls around on rollers. What?
I love it, I love it, I love it.
I also have got to show you the balcony. Crazy awesome.
239, 240, 241.
2 buildings, 1 offering, gonna be really, really popular. Both buildings $150 a month each under market rent without a whole lot you gotta do to get there. I think you know what to do. Bring me an offer. So the same owner of both of the buildings I just showed you is also developing this 5-story tower, all residential, all the exact same floor plan, 1 bedrooms as the McDonald building. Looks gorgeous. And I'm just saying it's not for sale, but if we do good on the other 2 projects, that buyer might have a shot at this.